If you haven't changed these settings, your Windows 11 PC could be wide open to hackers. And trust me, you do not want to find out the hard way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the essential security settings you need to enable on your Windows 11 computer. Step by step, let's get started. First up, and this is your frontline defense, Windows security, especially virus threat protection. This is your built-in antivirus and it's actually really good, but we need to make sure it's active and updated. Okay, on your desktop, hit the start button and type Windows security and press enter. It will pop up the Windows security screen for you. And the first one that you're gonna hit is virus protection and threat. Go to manage settings and make sure that real-time protection is enabled, cloud delivery protection, and tamper protection. These settings keep malwares from sneaking in silently and preventing apps from disabling your protections. Next, let's talk about Smart App Control. This is a relatively new feature on Windows 11 that provides an extra layer of protection by blocking potentially unwanted malicious applications before they can even run. Back in the main Windows security window, hit the App and Browser Control. Then Smart Control Settings. If it's off, like mine, you will need to reinstall Windows to fully enable it. Yeah, I know, it's a bit extreme. But if it's available, turn it to evaluation mode or on. It uses AI to block suspicious app. No guesswork needed anymore. Let's talk about App Browser Control, specifically reputation-based protection. This helps block malicious websites, downloads, and apps before they cause harm. On Windows Security window, hit App Browser and Control, and then Reputation-based protection settings. And make sure to toggle on Check Apps and Files, Smart Screen for Windows Edge, Phishing Protection, and also potentially unwanted app blocking. This acts like a security filter for the apps you install and the sites you visit. This one sounds super techy, but it's crucial. Core isolation, specifically memory integrity. This protects your most critical system processes from being attacked by malicious code. From the Windows Security home screen, click on Device Security and then Core Isolation Details. And make sure to enable memory integrity and local security authority protection. You might be prompted to restart your computer after enabling this, and it's important you do. Now, this one is specifically for Windows 11 Pro editions. It's called BitLocker. If you have Windows Home, you won't see this option, so feel free to skip ahead. BitLocker encrypts your entire hard drive, meaning if your laptop is ever lost or stolen, your data remains completely unreadable without the correct key. So if you have the Windows 11 Pro, let's click on the Start button and type Control Panel and hit enter. Go to System and Security. From there, you're gonna open BitLocker Drive Encryption. And then for your system drive, you can turn it on the BitLocker. It will ask you to save a recovery key, as you can see. Make sure you save this in a safe place, not on the drive itself. For myself, I usually save to my Microsoft account. Microsoft Defender Firewall. This firewall controls what kind of network traffic can come into or go out of your computer, blocking unwanted connection. It's like a security guard for your internet connection. Back in the main Windows Security homepage, hit Firewall and Network Protection, and then make sure the firewall is on for your private network, which is your home network and wireless connection, and public network for coffee shop Wi-Fi. To toggle on, just hit private network and then toggle on this switch, and then go back, public network, and toggle on this one as well. A green check mark like this one indicates that it's active and doing its job. This one is a powerful feature for preventing ransomware attacks, controlled folder access. Ransomware tries to encrypt your personal files and hold them hostage. This setting stops unauthorized apps from making changes to your important folders. So, go back to the security homepage and hit Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and hit Manage Ransomware Protection. Make sure this switch is on and also go to Protected Folders and you will be able to see what folders this feature is protecting. You can also click on Protected Folders to add any other folders that contain important documents, photos, or work files that you want to keep extra secure. What if someone walks up to your PC while you are away? That's where dynamic lock comes in. So to open it, right-click the Start button and go to Settings. Under Settings, hit the Accounts on the left and then Sign-in Options. Under Sign-in Options, you're going to see this option here, Dynamic Lock, and then you can enable Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away, and pair your phone via Bluetooth. Once paired, your PC will automatically lock when you walk away with your phone. It's super handy and super secure. Unless you really need it, remote desktop should be turned off. To disable it, go back to the settings, select System on the left, scroll down until you find Remote Desktop and toggle off this option here. You can always re-enable it when needed, but it's safer to keep it disabled by default. Finally, and this is probably the easiest but most overlooked, automatic updates. Microsoft regularly releases security updates and patches for Windows 11. These updates fix vulnerabilities that hackers might exploit. So, on the settings window, select Windows Update. Make sure that you don't have pause updates and also toggle on get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Under the advanced options, you can enable notify me when restart is required to finish updating. So you're gonna get a notification when a restart is necessary. If you want to, you can also enable get me up to date. This setting will restart as soon as possible your laptop, giving you a notification usually around 15 minutes that the laptop will restart. Don't put this one off. Take a few minutes right now to go through these settings on your Windows 11 PC. It's one of the best things you can do to protect your personal data and your peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. And share this video with anyone else you know who uses Windows 11. Let's help everyone stay safe online. I'll see you guys in the next one.